Rule 7 is using a semicolon as long as you have a sentence on both sides. It's really pretty similar to just a comma and a conjunction. Now in the first one, we have when he looked deep in her eyes, semicolon, he fell in love even more. That one's not going to work because when he looked deep in her eyes is actually a dependent clause. He fell in love with her even more, that one's an independent clause. So all we need to do to fix that sentence is to change the semicolon to a comma. Now you could say he looked deep in her eyes, he fell in love even more. That works. You just want to make sure that you don't have a conjunction after the semicolon. So he looked deep in her eyes, semicolon, and he fell in love even more wouldn't work. Now another example would be, I want to keep active in my volunteer work. Just takes too much of my time. Now the problem with that one is that you have an independent clause on one side and just a sentence fragment on the other. So just to clarify, you have I once, subject and verb, and then all you have on the other side is just takes. So you just have the verb. What we need to do is we need to add a subject to it. So I want, it takes. And then with that combination, we can have a semicolon in the middle combining those two independent clauses.